Good morning and welcome back to another day. Me and John in the workshop, and we're doing something a bit special today.
A bit Christmassy. Oh.
Don't stand on them. John's got his beetle in here. As you can see, there's a Christmas tree on the roof. And also lights hanging absolutely everywhere. Because this is the Christmas mobile. Oh, there's baubles on it.
Yeah,
We got more?
yeah, it's a box.
Oh, there we go, look. So, we're going to
Decorate the beetle.
decorate the beetle. I thought this would be a very good start to the video, is decorating the tree with the lights. Hey! So, we have a fair few lights. They do go all the way to outside the shop. And we've now got to make these go on this. So that's our job. I'll put you up somewhere. And you can watch us do some decorating. So, ready? There we go. You probably couldn't see too well, but the lights are all on. Let's go round the actual roof rack. It's a bit light to be able to see it properly, but this is definitely, you can see it better on this side. But we're going to wait till it gets a bit darker so that we can actually see it a bit better and jig them about. That's not a bad way to start the morning, is it? Having a little play with some Christmas lights. John's beetle.
Bad boy.
So we'll pick this up, well, pick the beetle part up a bit later on in the video. But for now, what I'm going to do, go make some coffee and start today's plan. So catch you in a sec. There we go, a little bit more ready and set up. As you've seen, we had a little bit of a play with the old Christmas lights. Do need to stick those baubles on at some point, but I mean, how cool does this look? Very impressed with that. But anyway, enough of that. As you've seen on the last video, I painted that, and you have actually missed, I have put some bits and bobs all back together, put some lines back in. I need to put the pinch bolt back in the steering, and just a few little bits and bobs, but doesn't that look a little bit better? A bit more put together, a bit more colourful. Also need to figure something out with this line. It's supposed to connect up there, but somewhere that's broke. So we'll figure that out at a later date. But before we get into what we're going to get into, let's have a quick hello at everybody. Mr. John.
Merry Christmas, everyone. It's filthy animal.
So you've seen John was working on this van in the last video.
3 days ago.
But it's going back together, slowly but surely.
Yeah, fit his new desk now. He got some new ball joints. Don't know if you've seen. This was my best ball joint.
Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look yummy?
Take a few.
Yep, that clearly worked a treat.
Yeah, so we're just putting this back on now. Then we gotta do a million oil leaks, oil cooler, I think carbon crank seals, and a couple more bits and bobs, and she's good to go.
Booyah!
Kasha.
As you can see on this side, it is all done. New arms, new ball joints, new everything, new chains plates. John's just going to finish off that other side. As you can see, this side's all built up.
And then we're gonna fit Carl's engine.
And then, yeah, I've got to move everything again. How are we, Mr. Doe? We good?
Yeah, another one night.
Your favourite?
My favorite. With Yaki Turbo.
Is that what it is? Broken turbo?
Yeah, oily.
Oh,
There's a nice and shiny one inside.
you got a new one, have you?
Yeah, and there's a couple oil leaks. Bit of cleaning.
That's how you know it's got oil, because it's leaking.
Yeah, that's that's good sign.
So that's your... What's this? Just a replace the turbo jobby today, is it?
No.
No, what else needs doing?
There's a bit of welding as well.
Oh, your favourite.
My favorite again. Yeah.
I need you to do a little bit of welding as well. I'll show you. Come hither. So that's Mr. Dye's job on this. New turbo, oil leaks and a bit of welding. And my job, I've got a fun job today, is for starters, I've got to go through all of this. There's that front end off of Scooby Bay. But I have to move that, and move this, and move this, and move these, and move this, move this table, move the Subaru engine, move a few more bits and bobs, and then I can have access to my engine. Because we are getting that engine out. We're going to drag it all the way over here, and we're going to put it over here into here. That is today's job. Get the engine out, getting it ready to be put in. There's a few bits that need to be done on it. I need to have a look at my turbo, my oil cooler, give everything a bit of a clean because it is a tad bit dirty and messy because of oil leaks, but that is today's plan. Get it ready to be put in there. Right, I'm gonna stop rambling on, but that is my job. I need to move all this lot, so I'll put the camera down, I'll pick it up when something sort of happens. There's no point boring you with the monotony of moving everything. So I'll see you in a sec once we actually get that engine a bit closer to coming out. Well, there we go. As you can see, a lot clearer. Managed to just move stuff just out of the way marginally. But now got access to the engine. Already got the chain on it. Ready to get her out of here. This should be fun. And there we go, she is out, back into civilization again. Look at that, my engine. There's a few bits I need to do, we'll get into that in a minute. But, shut up, Di. Shut up, Di. I'm going to put all this lot back, it's a shame because it's nice and clear. But my engine's out. Mr. Di has mostly got the turbo out.
Yeah.
Also, thanks for filming me, watching me struggling, dickhead.
Yeah, we were at that.
Yeah. I turned round, you've probably seen in the video, I'm here trying to pull it out, and Di's literally stood like there, laughing at me with his camera like, go on boy! Twat.
Oh, I do that, do that.
After I... Yes, you did, Di, thank you.
Yeah.
But yeah, Di's mostly got this turbo out now. Where's the new one? The shiny.
In the van.
Is it in the van, is it? Ah, there she is. Nice new shiny. Look at that. Brand new. Mr. John is no longer there. He is down here. He has got, might as well show you while we're stood next to it. But from the last time you've seen, it's now got steering arm in and brakes. And put back together on this side. He does now need to do some oil leak issues. So that is for Ron's problem.
Yeah.
Later, Ron.
Ha! Yeah.
And now he's on this bad boy.
Yeah. Trying a new diesel pump. We're open and praying that this old pump is down on pressure.
They've been chasing a problem on this for the past couple of days. And it's not driving as well as it probably should.
No.
So what is it you tried so far?
Obviously we went from 88 to 102 injectors and intercooler, so we tried a few maps. We've looked at the turbo and we've looked at numerous things, and it doesn't want to play ball at all.
So the next protocol is that
Yeah, maybe it's down on pressure and it's not working with the big injectors.
So I'm going to just put everything back to how it was, make this place a bit more tidy because everything's had to move. Yay, so I'm going to make this lot tidy again. See you in a sec. Well, there we go. I did have you on a mixture of a time lapse and normal, but the turbo is now off ski. She's a bit oily. She don't have a lot of shaft play, mine. But that's now off. And give that a bit of a clean. The cooler, oil cooler, just going to replace that. It's easier just to do it now. Might as well, while we're already here, get a nice new one of them, which I need to go pick up. Check this turbo over. Probably just going to put a new one on while I'm already here. Go across, give all this lot a bit of a clean. Like I said, I need to take this power steering reservoir off, along with a few other little knick-knacky bits. In the meantime, other than helping me get that very awkward bolt out, Mr. Dyer's got a nice new shiny end.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Beautiful.
So he's done this, he's helped me over there. Die wizard.
What can I say, bud? Flat out.
Flat out. I was over there in fair play, I did say, oh, does anyone know a little trick about how to get the bolt out? Straight away, guy's like, give it here, boy. He had it straight out. Good you die. And if you can't already hear in the background, Mr. John
Putting bands back together.
has got this bad boy running. All in all, going quite well. So I'm going to put the camera down for a bit. Like I said, I want to give this a bit of a clean, check out the turbo and whatnot. So I might as well put the camera down for a bit. So I'll pick the camera back up in a moment. Once I have a bit more noise for you, news for you. So see you in a sec. Well, it's been a few hours since I last picked up the camera, but I have sort of done a few bits on this. Put the oil cooler on, brand new oil cooler might I add. Put the pinch bolt back in the steering, which was an absolute nightmare. So that's all done, ready for engine. Mr. John wants to be a part of it. The monumental moment.
This is the first engine that's creams actually.
Is it?
Easy now, easy now.
Oh, we're all playing calm, you know. Yeah. Right, come up to a little bit of an issue. I've got early mounts and late. No, I haven't. I've got early, late mounts. They don't quite fit. The hole ever so slightly don't fit. So we're gonna make it fit. That is the plan. But she is 99% in. Dirty engine in a non-dirty engine bay. Fantabulous. And I think that's probably a good point to stop, I think, because we're gonna get that lot done. So next time you see this, there won't be an engine crane here, and she'll be in under her own weight. But we just need to do a little bit of fixing over there. But that's it. As you can see, the engine is in. Fabuloso. These two are mended it. But you will see this in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you like to see the engine in the engine bay. Whoop woo! Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.